What if your AI assistant could actually things for you? Complex, multi-step tasks, not just set timers or answer questions. Imagine asking your phone to research the best headphones under $200, compare the top 3, and email the results to your friend, and it just does it. This isn't science fiction. In 2025, AI is moving from reactive to proactive. We're used to AI that responds, but now it's about AI that acts, taking your goal and figuring out the process to get it done. This is Agentic AI. Not just a tool, but a teammate. It's the leap from following instructions to completing goals autonomously. For developers, it means an AI partner that builds, tests, and debugs features from a simple description. For creators, it's an assistant that researches, finds footage, and drafts scripts, freeing you to focus on creativity. This isn't about replacing people, but augmenting our abilities. Imagine everyone having a super capable assistant. The potential for productivity and creativity is massive. We're only at the beginning of this journey. The implications? Wild. Agentic AI is changing how we work, code, and create. The future of AI is about action, not just answers. So, what makes an AI agentic? It's all about autonomy. Regular AI gives you information. Agentic AI gets things done. Give it a goal, like booking a weekend trip, and it plans, searches, compares, and even books everything for you. It's the difference between an advisor and an executive assistant. Agentic AI acts independently, using tools and the internet to achieve your goal. It doesn't just know things, it does things. These systems interact with the world, not just their own database. They can find new information, use apps, and complete tasks end to end. That's the magic agency. The power to act, not just answer. This is what makes Agentic AI revolutionary. It's a leap from passive help to active problem solving. The future is AI that works for you. How does Agentic AI actually work? It starts with a powerful language model, the brain. You give it a goal, it breaks it down into steps, like a to-do list. Then, it chooses the right tools, web browsers, code interpreters, APIs, to execute each step. For example, research headphones, filter by price, read reviews, build a table, and send it to you. After each action, it checks the result and adjusts if needed. This loop, plan, act, observe, learn, gives it autonomy. It's not just following a script, it's solving problems in real time. If something fails, it tries a new approach. This self-correcting process makes it robust and reliable. Agentic AI is dynamic, always learning from feedback. It's a continuous cycle of thinking and doing. That's how it turns your goals into real-world results. The agent's playbook: plan, act, learn, repeat. The best part? You don't need to be a tech expert to try Agentic AI. Tools like AgentGPT and AutoGPT let anyone give a goal to an AI agent and watch it work. For builders, frameworks like LangChain and Llama Index make custom agents possible, automate repetitive tasks, boost creativity, and free up time for what matters. Coders get a tireless partner, creators get a research assistant. Agentic AI isn't here to replace us, it's here to amplify us. The revolution is accessible, and the tools are in your hands. Don't just watch, dive in and experiment. Try a beginner platform or build your own agent. The future is being built today. What will you create with Agentic AI?